Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning sample rates and I/O so you aren't fighting mismatches. Open project settings and set the sequence to 48,000 HC if your files use that rate. Once done, go to Preferences Audio Hardware and choose the correct input and output device. Make sure high-quality playback is active and monitor levels with the meters. This prevents resampling artifacts and routing errors, and it gives you a clean baseline to perform the next steps effectively. Now you clean each clip and build consistent levels. Tag clips as dialogue in essential sound, then use the reduce noise slider conservatively. Start around -20 to -40 dB and preview. Next, normalize peaks to -6 dB and adjust clip gain so dialogue stays in a tight range. This avoids pumping when compressors act. Add a high-pass filter around 80 Hz to remove rumble, and insert gentle dynamics to tame spikes without killing presence. Work in small finish by gluing the mix and preventing overloads. Insert a multi-band compressor for subtle control and a limiter with a ceiling at -0. 5 dB to catch peaks. Export using 48,000 HC. Choose WAV 48K/24-bit for master quality or AAC 320 kbps for delivery. If you hear distortion, stop. Check clip gain is not boosted. Confirm hardware sample rates match project settings and bypass effects to isolate the source. One key troubleshooting tip: revert to a single clean clip and rebuild processing step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.